Well, look who finally decided to wake up. You've been quite elusive, but your skills make you worth the catch. You'll be perfect for the job. We've been having some issues with a group of thieves known as the Top Hat Clan. We know they're guilty, we just can't pin them to any crimes. You'll be going into the airship to bring them down. I don't need to remind you that we've got you on several charges. Attempting robbery, breaking yourself out of prison, even stealing the Tunisian diamond. We've got quite a lot of counts on you. Do this job right, and we'll drop off.
Check. This is Charles. Just thought I'd give you a heads up. There's a guy down there, a bad guy. So, yeah. Good luck. There. Oh, so we should probably look for something incriminating. Something that we can use to prove that they're criminals, you know? I mean, no point in this operation.
All right, gentlemen. We've been tasked with developing new weapons for the clan. Any ideas?
I was kind of thinking.
Right, so if we go up to 3 caliber...
Hey, you there.
What do you think you're doing? It's Smith, right? What are you doing here, mate? Your wife's just gone into labour. Take that escape pod behind you. It'll take you right to the hospital. Go ahead. Don't worry. I'll tell the chief.
We can't do that. Why not, man? You do realize how much a solid gold cannon would weigh, don't you? Dude, we totally got enough power. What do you think, man? Well, I'm still kind of new here, so I'm not really sure what to say. Oh, hey, you see that record sign? Where it says records? That'd probably be a good place to look, right? Let me just, help you get across that gap. Huh? Alright, here it comes. Pardon. Okay. Press that guy knows how to open the door. Yeah, why don't you let me take care of this? This. Wow. This guy really is a moron. Can't believe he doesn't know how to open a door. Alright, get to bring out the big guns. Hey, you should be good to go now. Alright, hacked into their security system. Should be able to open the door from here.
Oh man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble. Oh, hello, Mr. Spider.
Alright, you got some evidence. Oh, wait. There's no way you're getting through there. Lots of guys, and there's lots of guns. That's all I'm gonna say. It looks like you can get around if you go through that air duct. Alright, I've hacked into their power grid. What do you want me to do? Okay, Okay, I'll reroute the power to a random room, that's fine. No! Alright, Henry, you're almost there. I'm right outside, so just open the bay doors, and I'll, get you on the chopper. Hey, what are you doing?
Yeah, we got a situation down in the cargo bay.
Hey, there's a button on your earpiece. You should press it.
What's going? This could be a problem.